You can talk in mesh mode with your U-com16 intercom. Let's find out how. Mesh mode lets you talk with the other people in your group without any specific position restrictions, joining or leaving the group without taking any steps. There are two different ways to use it. Public mode, called open mesh, and private mode. Let's see how public mode works. To start talking in open mesh mode, just press the intercom mesh button found at the back of the device. The status LED lights up green and you can start talking. All the people nearby who are tuned in to the same channel can now talk together. If you press the same button again, it will let you stop talking at any time. When you first start them up, interphone kits are tuned into channel 1, but you can choose different channels to avoid interference with other units nearby. To set a channel, press the intercom mesh button twice. Then press the music button quickly several times until you activate the pre-chosen channel. Now confirm your choice by pressing the intercom button in the center. Channels from 1 to 9 are available. The intercom audio will guide you through every stage to make setting it up even easier. If you want to create a closed group by selecting the people who can access the conversation, you need to create a private mesh. The quickest way to set this up is by following the instructions on the app.